done today, so come with me.
I am going to start this vlog off with making my Target order. I created a little list. I like to divide it by like dairy, etc., frozen produce, and spices this time because I have to re-up on a lot of spices. So the first thing I need are the little like jars of tomato paste, so I'm gonna add like 5 of those to my cart.
And then the spices I need are ancho chili powder, ground ginger, and more curry powder.
I'm not gonna lie, the curry powder doesn't have great reviews, but I'm still gonna try it. So produce, I need onion. I know it's a little risky ordering produce online, but their onions are usually fine. I'm also gonna get a big bag of carrots. Edamame secured. I'm gonna take a risk and order green onions with the Simply Fruit Punch. Get one of those. We need some more kidney beans. I'm gonna get a couple cans of those. Get one light red and then one dark red. Also, I'm going to get some of these frozen pot stickers just because I want to try them and I feel like they'd be good in like soup. Maybe on like that bulldog ramen. Okay, I kind of want to try the GT Island Bliss kombucha, so I'm gonna get a bottle of that. Add a 12 count of eggs, and then I also need some more butter. Okay, now for some self-indulgent shopping. I'm gonna get some of the Dr. Teal's lavender Epsom salts, and then I also want to get like the bubble bath. They have been placed. Now all we gotta do is wait like 2 hours and then they'll be ready to pick up. Try this like fig reserve jam. Okay, well I was gonna pick up my Target order, but their drive up is broken right now and I really don't want to go in. Free him! Free him! Hello, Coco. Okay, so we just went to this like arcade bar. It was really dope. Literally no one else is out. making some tacos with some cashew queso and some salsa.
This is my cashew queso. I have my refried beans, and then I also...
I got a new blender for Christmas because my last one broke, and this one has like a little food processor, so I'm checking it out to see like how well it blends everything together. To go to Trader Joe's now. I kind of just want to look around for the most part. So it is a few days later. I go to my mom's because I don't have a printer and I need to print a shipping label for a Sony Angel that I'm trading. I think later me and my partner are gonna go get some Indian food. Hello, I'm literally so bad at ending vlogs, but thank you for watching. I'm sorry this one was a little discombobulated. I tried my best to fix it, but I didn't want to abandon the whole video, so sorry, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye!